Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a fully custom header and footer for your WordPress website, completely free, using Elementor and the Header Footer Builder for Elementor plugin. Right now, I'm on a fresh WordPress installation. As you can see, the default theme gives us a very basic header. We're going to build our own beautiful custom header using the Header Footer Builder for Elementor plugin. Before we build anything, make sure you have Elementor installed. This plugin is required because our Header Footer Builder works directly inside Elementor's visual editor. Now, let's install the Header Footer Builder for Elementor plugin. Go back to Plugins, Add New, and in the search box type Header Footer Builder. This is the plugin. Once you find it, click Install, and then click Activate. Once it's activated, you will see the Turbo Header Footer Builder options here. Great. The plugin is ready to use. Before creating the header, we need a navigation menu. Go to Appearance, Menus, create a new menu, give it a name like Site Menu. And add your pages. I just rearrange items. Once done, click Save Menu. This is the menu we will display inside our custom header. Now let's build the header. Go to Header Footer Builder from the WordPress dashboard. Click Create Header Template. Add New Header Template. Give your header a name, something like Primary Header. Include pages is optional. From Display Condition, select the entire website to make the header visible on all pages. If your plugin has predefined header styles, you can pick one, or leave it blank to design from scratch. Now click Create, and this will open Elementor Editor. Inside Elementor, we now design the header layout. You'll find dedicated widgets from Header Footer Builder, such as site logo, navigation menu, button, and other useful elements. Drag and drop these widgets to build your header. Place your logo on the left. The logo is missing because we have not set a site logo. This widget has custom logo options. Add your custom logo from here. Add your menu in the center or right, and maybe add a call to action button if you like. You can customize everything: spacing, colors, typography, using the widget's style controller. Once your structure is done, style the header to match your brand. Adjust backgrounds, hover effects, menu spacing, and button styles. Next, click the responsive mode in Elementor. Make sure the header looks great on tablet and mobile. You can switch menu layouts, adjust paddings, and hide or show elements based on device size. When everything looks good, click Update. Now let's create the footer. Go back to Header Footer Builder and click Footer Template. Add New Footer Template. Give it a name, select conditions like entire website, then click Create to open Elementor Editor. Here you can design your footer with elements like logo, about text, quick links, social icons, copyright text. Style it the way you want and click Publish when you're done. Let's check the website now. Refresh the front end and you'll see your brand new custom header and footer applied across the entire website. Everything is now fully controlled by Elementor and the Header Footer Builder plugin. Now, if you want to make your header sticky at the top, it's very simple. Come back to your header list. Here you will see the Edit Condition button. Simply click here. In the pop-up, check the Header Sticky option and update. Now reload the site. The header is sticky at the top. Or if you want to make the header show hide on scroll, then again come back here and check Enable Scroll Animation and update. Reload the site, and now you'll see the header showing and hiding on scroll. Finally, a bonus tip for you. If you want to make a special header for any specific page, then come back to Header Builder Options and click Add another new header template. Give your header a name like Header for Contact Page. In the Include Page field, select your target page. Then skip the Display Condition field. Next, select all pages from Exclude Page. Then find the target page and remove it from the list. When done, click Create to open Elementor Editor. Now build your special header the same way. When finished, click Publish. Now check. The target page has a different header from the other pages. You can also set conditions to create individual headers and footers for specific areas of your website, including WooCommerce pages, blog archive pages, and any other page you want to customize. This Header Footer Builder plugin is not only powerful, but also incredibly user-friendly. It gives you a much faster and smoother way to build custom headers and footers, works perfectly with any WordPress theme, and provides a clean, efficient workflow across your entire site. If you want to take your Elementor designs to the next level, definitely check out Turbo Addons for Elementor. It includes 80+ modern widgets like advanced sliders, carousels, counters, image effects, and much more. Perfect for building professional websites even faster. Just explore it from the button. That's it for this tutorial. This plugin is fully free and makes your site header and footer much faster. If you found this helpful or have any recommendations, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.